We're talking about real estate and oil. It's not the first time we've been in this particular circumstance. What is the expected time lag for real estate to follow the oil price in areas that produce oil? For instance, one of the projects you had up was buying a multifamily in Dallas, I believe. Being a fairly heavy oil-centered economy, I was a little surprised to see that.
Well, one of the things that is important, a major distinction between Texas and Alberta, is in Texas, oil is a much, much smaller percentage of their economy. And the second thing to remember is that even oil prices are low. The reality is that from a production perspective, it is unlikely that there's going to be a significant drop in the production of oil in Texas. It's just going to be selling for a lower price. So when we take a look at a market like that, Texas has a lot of very, very good things going for it. It's a right-to-work state. You know, it has a very young population. It has very good demographics, which are ideal for rental properties. So when we look at the factors that affect the decision about where to invest, we also take a look that if we're buying in Dallas, we're paying $100,000 or $110,000 for a two-bedroom apartment, which is just a fraction of what you could pay in almost any other Canadian city, never mind Vancouver. So all those factors enter into the decision of sort of about where we would like to acquire an asset, and where, in the case of real estate, always looking at an asset's return over roughly a 10-year time frame. So we wouldn't normally buy any asset we wouldn't be comfortable holding for 10 years. So even if the price were to drop, it's very unlikely that the rents on that real estate would change appreciably, or the vacancy rates.
I might be slightly off on my digits, but I believe that, as John alluded to, oil is only roughly 15 to 17% of the economy in Texas. And it's one of the fastest growing, that in Washington State, are the fastest growing states in the United States with net immigration. So there's a lot of other appealing areas of the economy for Texas other than just oil.